asked to calculate the volume of cement, sand and coarse aggregate if mix ratio is 1:2:4. We want to know the volume of these materials to cast this ground floor slab. Alright, so what you need to do is to first of all look at this shape and see how you can find out the total area of this shape. If you have known the area of this shape, you can now find the volume of this shape, then proceed. Looking at this shape, this line is perpendicular to this one at angle 90 degree. This other line is perpendicular to this other line at angle 90 degree. So it means if from here to here is 10 meters, it means if you project this line downward, we can also say that from here to here is also 10 meters. I'm doing this so that to enable us to find out the area of the shape. So having known that if from here to here is 5 meters, it means from here to here is also 5 meters. So what is remaining for us to find is from here to here. We can now call this place X. We don't know this place. So this line will also be at angle 90 degree. This one will be perpendicular to this other one. So at this point we can apply Pythagoras theorem to find S, which says that so 13 square minus 5 square, take the square root of it to give us what? 12. So having known S to be 12 meters, we can now proceed. So I have split this shape into, let's call this one A and what? B. So for us to find the volume of material here, volume of material for A is equals to length times breadth, which is times thickness, which is equals to 10 times 5 times 0.15. This will be equals to 10 times 5 times 0.15. This will give us 7.50 meter cube. This is the volume of material here. Then let's check volume of material for this other side. B is equals to, we can say this is a right angle triangle, say the area, which is half base times height times what? Thickness, will give us the volume of material there, which is this times the base is 12, the height is 5 times the thickness is 0.15. So this will give us 2.25 meter cube. So the total volume of material here, volume of wet concrete is equals to 7.50 plus 2.25 all in meter cube. This will give us 9.75. So this is total volume of wet concrete. So for us to accommodate shrinkage, we have to use volume of dry concrete. This will be equals to 1.54 multiplied by 9.75. This will give us volume of dry concrete approximately 15.02 meter cube. So this eventually becomes the volume of the material here. Now let's quickly look at the volume of cement in this mixture. First of all, what is the mix ratio? The mix ratio is equals to 1:2:4. The total mix ratio is 7. So volume of cement will become 1 is for cement, 1/7 multiplied by the total volume 15.02. We have 2.15 meter cube. This volume of cement. Volume of sand will be equals to, this 2 is for sand, say 2/7 multiplied by 15.02. We have 4.29 meter cube. Then volume of gravel, which is coarse aggregate, it becomes, this 4 is for that, 4/7 times 15.02. We have 8.58 meter cube. So in this lab, I've been able to calculate the volume of cement needed, sand and coarse aggregate needed to cast this slab with the following dimension. If this is your first time coming across my video, like this video, share it and comment. I love you all.